In this video, I'm going to go over a use case for how UiPath can help you do your Amazon research. Now, whether you're doing fulfillment by Amazon or drop shipping with Amazon or just regular selling on Amazon, however you choose to do it, that's up to you. But what I'm going to do is show you how you can get all of your information and you can compare which items you would like to get from a distributor or a supplier. So let's just take, for example, let's say you come to Oberlo and you're trying to get, so the first thing you want to do is like get some ideas of what to actually sell. And so we're going to try to sell some baby items, right? And we come here and we kind of see what's selling on Oberlo with Shopify. And after we done this, we kind of say, okay, well, we want to sell some sippy cups. And then we come to Amazon and we want to see what the market is like in Amazon. We say sippy cups. And then, now this is not required, but what I also like to use is this extension called Jungle Scalp. And let's say we do sippy cups and we do research on it and we find that it's high demand and high competition, and the average price is $12.21, right? So we say, okay, this is a pretty good item. Now, I don't know, I'm just going over a use case. But let's just assume that we said, okay, this is a pretty good item. I know I can make roughly $12 to $19 on Amazon for this. Now you want to go to a supplier and try to find some sippy cups that are way less than $12, So we come over here to Amazon and copy this name. And this is where we're going to use UiPath. We're going to trigger UiPath to start and type it in, say sippy cups. Now, what UiPath is going to do is doing this automatically. It's going to Alibaba and it's going to search for sippy cups, and it's going to pull up all of the inventory that Alibaba has. Now, for tutorial purposes, I didn't want it to go through all 3,693. I limited the results to, I believe, 100. So we won't see all of these results, but you kind of get the idea of how UiPath can help you figure out all of this information where you don't have to go through each page and find out all of the prices and information for it. So we got the message complete. Now, if we go to our Excel sheet that we just saved, we'll be able to see all of our results. Okay, so we have the name of one of the sippy cups. We have the URL for Alibaba, and we have the price per piece, and we have the minimum order. So we can assume if we bought 1,000 pieces, we'll get each piece for $2.50. Maybe we may be able to negotiate some deal where we get it for $2 a piece. And this is just for this item. If we go through, we see some that are for 76 cents at the most. We see some that are a little bit higher than $3. We see some that's 65 cents, 60 cents, and on and so forth. And we can put a sort on this, and we can try to sort for the less value. And so you're kind of starting to see how UiPath has already done the research for us. Well, we don't even have to go through Alibaba. We can just figure out which item would be able to give us the most profit. So for example, let's just say we choose this one here. Well, and we can come here and actually go see, we can copy this URL and see which one this is. So let's open up another URL. And this one is not, maybe it could be, I don't know. It could be, it looks like a decent cup, but we see that we would have to buy these for 2,000 pieces and we get them for 23 cents. Now I'm sure we can turn some kind of profit on this. And even if we don't like this one, we can just continue to go down and try to figure out which ones would make the most profit. Like this one here, the minimum order is 100 pieces for 68 cents. So let's look at this. Okay, so this one is a pretty decent one for 100 pieces and for 68 cents. Now, again, we know we can probably negotiate down, and I think this would be a pretty good deal. Now, we can look at this. We can take this, the name, Silicon Baby Spill Proof Sippy Cup. We can go back to Amazon and search for this. We can see we have some sippy cups for $14. We see the rating. I don't know if we'll find the one that they have, but we can kind of get an idea that they range from $14, $9, 30, or this is a wholesale 4-pack for $32. But we can see that for this item that we can buy for 68 cents and a minimum of 100, we can definitely turn some profit. And all of that information is found within seconds by using UiPath. I want to do it one more time. Let's try something else. Let's say onesies. So let's just say we find baby onesies. And just gonna come here, trigger UiPath again. I don't know how to spell onesies. I believe this is how it's spelled. Okay, so let's put a sort on it. Okay, so I believe this is the cheapest. So these onesies, how much was these onesies? Typical price for, let's do a onesie. Okay, so we see that it's high demand with high competition. Average prices roughly $17. So the top 10, you can see we have varying. We have 33, 23, 10, 23. So I would say anywhere between, I believe 1750 is about right. And those are like for for packs of 8, 4, 8, I believe. Let me just say one more. So this is a pack of 8, pack of 5, 15. So a pack of 5 about $9 or $10. Okay. And we know that we can get for about $2, and minimum piece is 500. So let's copy this. So this is pretty good. For $2, we can get this, and we get 500 pieces. So we know that if we sell them, we'll definitely make a profit off of this. And again, just to point out, this is just a use case, but this is a good example of how UiPath can help you with your Amazon business. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.